First things first, I'm the realist.
What you need to do is you need to first click on the LAN button on the Epson remote. And when you do that, you see that you get some information there, the name of the projector, third grade -Epson, and the IP address. Now you're ready to connect iPads to the projector. On your Mac or PC laptop, there is a software to be able to moderate how many iPads are connected or laptops are connected simultaneously to an Epson projector. This software is called the EasyMP Multi-PC Projection software. To use it and be able to moderate multiple people connecting to an Epson projector, you click OK, use the advanced connection mode and click OK. When you do that, you get an interface that looks like this. You see the projectors that are available. In this case, we have the third grade Epson. Click OK on that. You see that it's there and it has an IP address. And then you click Join. And when you do that, you are then connected to the projector with the moderator software. Now, as you can see over here, the Mac laptop screen is now being projected on the Epson. So, this is the part where you actually connect an iPad to the Epson projector. You go to the Epson app on the iPad and open it. And when you do that, you see that there is the projector showing up. In this case, it's the third grade Epson projector. You open it up, it says connect to this projector, say OK, and it pops up with another OK, and then you're connected. Okay, so in step 4 of connecting an iPad to an Epson projector, what you're going to want to do at this point is kind of double check that the iPad is actually showing up in the moderator software. So you go back to the moderator software, you click on this icon here, and it brings up this interface. And you can see that yes, iPad number third grade 15 is showing up. Now note that up here we have some options. Right now we're just going to use single for the demo purposes, but we could click double, and that would allow for 2 simultaneous iPads to project on the screen, or quad, 4 simultaneous iPads project on the screen. For demo purposes right now, we're going to just do one, and then we're going to move over to the iPad. So on the iPad, you'll notice that there's on the upper left-hand side, there's 3 bars. You want to click on that. And then note that on an iPad, only photos, documents, web pages, or live camera can display from the iPad. The iPad does not really show its desktop on the projector. You kind of have to pick an app or, a photo or document to show. So in this case, I'm going to do a photo. Click on Photos, go to Camera Roll, and then I'm going to select Moon. And then we get a picture of the moon, and then when I look over on the projector, there is the iPad projecting the moon. Okay, so this is step 5, and in this step, I'm going to try to demo connecting 4 simultaneous connections with iPads. So we go to the moderator software, and we click on that icon, and we see we have the interface. Now, over here, we have 4 iPads that are showing up that are available to project. We want to make sure we're in our quad mode with this button here. And then we just basically double click on each iPad. And we're filling our quad. Now that we've got the moderator software set up with 4 iPads to project simultaneously. I'm going to show you that for demo purposes, I've got the moon on one iPad, I've got Homer Simpson, I've got Blackie, and I've got Goodbye Kitty. Now, if we go over to the projector, there we can clearly see that we are projecting 4 images simultaneously. And if we go back to the iPad, we select a different image, it changes on the screen. And this holds true for documents, this holds true for web pages. So this is a way for teachers to have 4 students demo their work simultaneously. Wouldn't happen very often, but there you have it. There's an option for you. Step 6 is basically exiting out and getting your projector back to normal classroom mode where you're using your Elmo or your computer that's connected to the screen. So to get out of it, all you have to do is just basically go up to the software and go quit. And when you do that, it releases the Epson from the moderator software, and also it'll release the iPads. And then your screen will go back to blue screen. The second part of getting back to default so that you can use your projector with your Elmo and your AV laptop is to just basically use the remote and select the computer button, and when you do that, it's going to jump you back to the regular mode where you can toggle between the Elmo and your computer. And that concludes this video, giving you a basic understanding of how you can use the Epson iProjection app and have multiple iPads connect to the Epson.
First things first, I'm the realest. Drop this and let the whole world feel it.